Hi everyone, and first and foremost, wish you and your family a very, very happy Holi. May this Holi brings all the colors of the life, health, wealth, prosperity in your life to you and your family as well. Now, you may have attended one of my sessions, which is talking about the mid-career professional's life, and this is what we discuss about that. This is for the mid-senior corporate professional who are being stuck in their career for a long period of time and who are actually searching the job, not getting the breakthrough, stuck by the office politics, or the looking for the powerful network or so. Now, these are the typical symptoms that I have identified while talking to you guys in the masterclass. And when I look at this is not the real cause. The real cause of worry is this, that you being underpaid, underachieved, and undervalued because of the non action. And this is what I really want to change for you. This Holi, I want to make sure that you actually take control of your career rather than allowing other people to play with your career. Because as we see in the mid career graph, right, 90% of the people are in the mid level, which are either getting stuck or getting declined. Only 10% with the clarity, understanding of the strategy, as well as the people who actually structurally execute the things, they are the people who can actually get the most of the benefit. Now, the question to you is, do you really, really want to continue with your path? Because there are many, many paths that you have to be aware of, right? So there is a journey that you need to spend in the 40 years of your life. And the typical journey looks like this. Okay. You start with your career mastery, where you will be able to understand that you take leadership of your own career, that is taking charge of your own career, so that you can get the multiple offers. You can actually address your promotion, you can address your salary hike, and you get what you deserve today, isn't it? Now then you move to the mid-senior leadership and you have a different complexity to solve, and your ultimate wish list is to get into the CXO level, which is only 3% of the people reach there, and 15% of the people reach to the executive levels. Now, would you like to be in that 15% is the question. Now, how will you go to that 15% without going through your own clarity of yourself, about your own profiling, about your own positioning, about your own networking, and so on? And that is the reason I had actually shared with you my blueprint, which is given to the people at a very nominal rate. Yeah, I had given this as a lifetime access to each and everyone who attended the webinar at 15,000 plus taxes. And finally, I ended up giving you the special offer during the webinar, 8997. Now, you may or may not have actually got it. If you have still not attended one of my webinars, then please attend this rakesh.cc/masterclass, or just write an email to us at connect@iglacademy.com. But if you have attended and you are not interested to probably take it forward, let me tell you that you are making a biggest mistake. The most successful people are not the most smart people or talented or experienced people. They're the fastest people. Who are the fastest people? They grab the opportunity which is available to them and make it work for them. And that is precisely the reason I have created an opportunity for you. And this opportunity is called the Accelerated Career Transformation. Now, this is for the people who want to just taste the water, who cannot afford the real coaching classes and so on, and those who feel that, no, I still want to learn some of it. Now, the entire Career Acceleration Mastery is divided into almost 50, 60 hours of course, but I have comprised it by giving you the growth hacks. The growth hack is, how do you actually fast track going into the Career Acceleration Mastery? And that hack has been compiled into the Accelerated Career Transformation, where I covered from the clarity to profile to visibility, networking, lead generation, selection, that is your negotiation, as well as interview. Now, this is what I'm going to give you. And most of you must be facing this roadblocks, and you must be understanding that, no, I'm probably not ready for this entire course or coaching, or just because I do not have time to go for the entire digital program. And for those busy people, I've created this hackathon. This is called the Career Mastery Hackathon. And in this hackathon, I cover everything that I cover in the Career Acceleration Mastery in a very brief. Now, the only difference between the full-fledged, full-stack Career Acceleration Mastery versus this is that you do not get any coaching classes or so. Yeah. And you can self-learn the things and you can self-implement those things immediately without having getting the what do you call, without getting overwhelmed by the lot of things that you need to cover and lot of time that you need to devote for yourself. So this entire Career Acceleration Mastery is a self-learning, no Q&A or community which is given to you, and you get the access immediately now. Now, along with this, I also coach the people at the leadership level. How do they actually get the promotion? Through my patented and proprietary CAGR model, which I call, which will ensure that how can you actually cover your 10 years of growth within 1 year and you reach to the 3 lakh rupees per month salary minimum. Okay. Now this is valued at 9999 and this is valued at 1997. But as you have attended one of my programs or you have registered and you have probably not gone through the next level, I would like to give this special opportunity worth 11996 at a very, very special price right now, which is 1997. And this offer is only valid for this morning 10 a.m. till night 10 p.m. If you are somebody who really want to change your career, you are somebody who is stuck in your career because of the clarity, because of your interviews not getting, your job search or promotion or the office politics and so on, and you are underpaid, underachieved and undervalued, this is the opportunity you do not want to miss. And I truly wish in this Holi, this creates an abundance of opportunity for you in your life so that you and your family deserve more. So grab this opportunity. The link is in the mail somewhere. Please find that link and make sure that you register for it, get the access. There is an automated email coming to you. There will be a community of those people as well who you can directly connect with, those who have actually gone for this hackathon, and you directly get the access by that following the email sequences. So look forward to see your transformation. Till that time, take care and have a very, very happy